One thing that I recommend that you do every single week is what's called a detox bath. It's very simple. All you do is sit in a hot bath, okay, for 20 minutes. Once a week, add a handful of Epsom salts. That's a good way to get magnesium, and it also helps with stress. Number 2, I recommend 10 drops of lavender essential oil. Lavender is very calming, relaxing, and it can actually lower your stress hormones. And then I recommend 1-2 cup of baking soda. A lot of times people will use like 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, but I find that you need at least 1-2 cup to get a good effect from it. And the reason why I like the baking soda is because it's a natural way to balance your pH. So what happens when you get into a hot bath and you sweat? You're actually drawing out toxins from your body. So it's very important to replace those toxins by either eating clean foods or just simply drinking a lot of water. But the detox bath itself will help you release a lot of the toxins that are stuck inside your body. The other thing that it does is it lowers your stress-related hormones, one being cortisol. Cortisol is a stress hormone, and it's a little bit different than adrenaline. Adrenaline is more of like an immediate stress response, whereas cortisol is a little bit more long-term. Cortisol actually suppresses your immune system. So when you have high levels of cortisol, you're more susceptible to getting sick. You might even have sugar cravings because cortisol is a sugar craving hormone. It'll make you feel hungry. It can affect your sleep. It'll make you stay up. And so anything that you can do to lower cortisol is very, very beneficial. And then lastly, it balances your pH. So when you take a bath, especially with the lavender, which is so calming and relaxing, and the Epsom salts and the baking soda, you're going to naturally help balance your pH. I always find that when I get into a hot bath, I sleep better. I have less stress, and I wake up feeling more energized. And if you want to enhance this even further, I would recommend doing this right before bed so you can sleep better. And I would also recommend that you drink a big glass of water after your bath to rehydrate your body and to push out any of the toxins that were released while you were sweating. So give this a try. I think you'll find that it will be very, very beneficial for you. And if you have any other tips or tricks for balancing your hormones, please comment down below.